Right. No man. Yeah, so the time is now 6:08 that I'm actually stepping through the gate. That rhyme. 6:08 stepping through the gate. Going now. I'm actually leave out earlier this time. Still after 6 because the prayer meeting went a little bit late, a little bit over 6 o'clock, but it's not so bad. It's now 6:08. Can see say it's still kind of dark. So that is why I normally leave out about 6:20 something because I would wait until it gets a bit brighter. But I want to finish before the sun come out too much. Watch the street light is still on. But so I had the devotion and made a little warm up and now we're heading out. So stay tuned. You actually see people outside already, not as dark as it is. Persons are on their way to work. Persons actually a jog. So I'm not alone. Yeah. Alright, so I saw a group exercising. So I go join the people, them group. I go join them group. I hope them not run me. Open. Alright. Yeah man, see what noughness bring. Join the people them group and never know say the soldier man do it. I'm a mother friend, you know. Man, give me some work out the people. Lord, what sweat. What's mosquito? Yo, wanna know them plum here? Y'all know these plums? Let me try get a better view. What are these plums called? Are these the Chinese plums? Like look. But the ripe ones are way up there. Like look at the Alright, so day one of exercising with the soldier and his team complete. The former soldier. Like the man think him then at the army still, you know, because me no know what that him just do. Me just have to give God thanks. So I survive. Like, what was that? It was and I didn't even get there for the whole hour. I got there for 45 minutes because I got there 6:15 instead of 6 o'clock. And mind you, it was so intense. Like even the final 10 minutes of the hour, I the first me experienced this, but the man make we exercise the eyes. The man made us exercise our eyes for a good 10 minutes. Eyes, you know, like I never knew that was a thing. And I kid you not, when I started, I did feel foolish. Then me I say, wait, this actually makes sense. Like my eyes are feeling better. Like this was a thing. So I just shut my mouth and do what the man say, yeah? Like bag of things with the eyes. So it was good, and then yeah, as different segments throughout the week. So we'll see how this goes. I don't know where the dog there go. And then went for breakfast like the cute girl that I am, you know, labrish and kiki off in the morning. And just like that, I got a little treat for myself because girl I go work. After that morning, girl they work. What you need to know? No, sir. Who me think me be? I move like say me have battery in my body. God help.